afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2013 government past question. Question number 30 says, under the Nigerian Second Republic, the Senate was under the leadership of dash. Under the Nigerian Second Republic, the Senate was under the leadership of that. The question simply means that who was the leader of the Senate in the Second Republic. So option A say John Washpam, B say J.S. Tucker, C say Joseph Wires, D say Godwin Ume Eze. Okay. So the person that was the head of the Senate in the Second Republican was Joseph Wires. So option C is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.